Hello friends, today I am going to show you the TP-Link Archer MR600 4G LTE Wi-Fi router. You might be thinking that I have made this router video 3 times, but the thing is that this is the latest model and each model TP-Link is upgrading few of the features that is useful in a day-to-day basis. So if you check out on this model, then first of all you will be seeing that there is a 4G plus symbol here. That means that this model supports 4G plus Cat6 up to 300 Mbps, and the Ethernet ports are now full gigabit Ethernet ports. Also, these detachable LTE antennas, these two, my friends, are now much more powerful than the older model, and now the Wi-Fi is reduced to AC 1200 dual band. That means if I show you in details, then you will be finding here that the Wi-Fi in 2.4 gigahertz now dropped to 300 Mbps and 5 gigahertz at 867 Mbps, which was earlier here it was 400. So there was a difference of around 160 Mbps. That doesn't matter with my friends in the day-to-day life, so it's fine. And the two, there is no much of a difference. I think the dimensions are, maybe when we unpack this we will be knowing, and all other ports are also same, like the power port and all. Yes, there is a small change. This model now supports micro SIM card slot, and the older model was supporting the big SIM, like this one. Let me show you one. Yes, this is the full SIM. So the earlier model was supporting this full SIM. Now it will support only the micro SIM. That means you have to take this part out. So why wait, my friends? Let's check out what's on the back, and then we will dig in inside. So rest all the features are still the same. Yes, there is one more thing. This new model now supports one mesh. It is a device that is also sold by TP-Link, and as you can see here, it is mentioned here, it is a range extender. For example, you are having a home, like a big home as this one is showing on the photo, and if you have a big home and this Wi-Fi is unable to catch up to all the corners of your home, then you can buy this TP-Link range extender. I will put the details of that extender that are supported on this device on the details section below. Then you can easily buy one and extend your Wi-Fi if you need one. So now coming to the price here. So here, as you can see, it is mentioned 14,000, that is 13,999. But don't be alarmed, my friends. As always, if you buy it from Amazon and do wait for a good deal, you can get it for only 9,500 rupees. It is a bit costlier than the older model, but we want the upgrade. Like we are getting a lot of upgrade here. It is a Cat6, and the new thing is that it is supports all the frequencies of India's now. So you will be able to use any SIM card in this device. You use Vodafone, you use Jio, you use Airtel, anyone it may be, it will support fully with a 4G. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. So here we go. Let me find what's the difference. No, there is nothing what's the difference. Same thing. We need to tear up the seal here. Okay, and tear this up. So as you can see here, I have to pull this out. 1 minute. The packaging of TP-Link is really nice. As you can see, it is really hard to pull it out with one hand. Let me do it. 1 minute. So let's open this up. So there is a packaging change here, and the color of the box is also changed, but this is now in white. Earlier it was in brown. So let's pull this out. Put the hand inside here. Okay. Yes. Just give it a few push and it will come out. It's a very safety packaging, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see, I have pulled it out. So now we will open this up. Okay, this is the router. As you can see here, this is the router. So let me take this out. Okay, so if we check the router, I think the size is a bit big as compared to the old one, and it is a bit heavy too. It's because of this new change in the model, or this kind of something as recess is given here, might be for that, but it's a bit heavy than the old one. And as I talked with you earlier, let me show you all the ports here. Yes, as you can see here, we have got the power socket here. These are one antenna, and this is the other antenna here. Micro SIM card slot, as you can see, it's mentioned here. Wi-Fi on off, reset, WPS. Yes, this is a good thing they have done, that when earlier model, this WPS button was working as a reset button tool. Like when you click it and hold it, then it was resetting. This is a good thing they have made a change. And these are all the Gigabit Ethernet ports, and this is the off on button. So let's keep this aside and check what's inside. As always, there is a general public license note. There is a quick installation guide. Okay, we get Ethernet cord here. This is again, this is a cheap cord as compared to the last one. You get some nano to micro SIM conversion kit here. You get the two antennas here. These are the new antennas, the powerful antennas, as mentioned by TP-Link. We will check it out after we install it. Okay, these are the two antennas. I have kept it aside. Here is your power brick. Let's check what's the voltage here. Earlier model was a bit big. This is again the small one. Let's check what's the voltage here. It is 12 volt, 1.5 ampere. That means this is the same, I think, as compared to the old one, but MR600 was having a bit big one. And there is no TP-Link written anywhere on the adapter now. Might be this is a cost cutting or something, but they haven't mentioned anything on top of it. So why wait, my friends? Let's put all this aside, and on the second part of this video, we will be talking about how to set it up and how to start it and boot it this device. Okay, so that's all, my friends, on this video. Do check out the part 2 of this video, and there you will find how to assemble it and how to put the SIM and start the device. Thank you for watching, my friends. Bye bye.